10 solutions to fix your iPhone's calendar search. Force quit and reopen the calendar app. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to the middle. Locate the calendar app and swipe up on its preview to close it. Reopen the calendar app from the home screen. Before moving to the next step, we would like to recommend Combo Cleaner. To keep your device running smoothly, avoid malware infections, and free up disk space, we recommend using Combo Cleaner. Available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. Download and install it today at combocleaner.com. Grab our limited deal for Windows and Mac users. Use the coupon code PCRISK30 for 30% off at the checkout. Restart your iPhone. When you restart your iPhone, it shuts down all processes and clears the random access memory. It can resolve conflicts or errors that occurred during the operation of the device. Check the iCloud calendar server status. If the server is down, your search and other features won't work as expected, and there's nothing you can do on your device to fix it until Apple resolves the server issues. To check the server status, go to the official Apple System Status page and see if the iCloud calendar server is available. Ensure Calendar Sync is turned on. Go to Settings and tap on Calendar. Tap on Accounts and select the accounts you use with Calendar. Make sure that the Calendars option is turned on. Check for Calendar app update. Open the App Store and tap on your profile icon. Scroll down to see available updates. Tap Update next to the Calendar app if available. Re-enable Calendar. Go to Settings and tap on your Apple ID, select iCloud and tap Show All. Tap iCloud Calendar. Disable Use on this iPhone. Wait a few minutes and then turn it back on. Check Language and Region Settings. Open Settings and go to General. Select Language and Region and ensure they're set correctly. Reset all settings. In the Settings app, tap General. Go to the bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and select Reset all settings. Enter the passcode and confirm the action. Delete and re-add your calendar account. Go to Settings and tap on Calendar. Tap on Accounts. Select the account and tap Delete Account. Add the account again by tapping Add Account and following the on-screen instructions. Check for iOS updates. Open Settings and go to General. Tap on Software Update. If an update is available, tap Update Now. To enhance security and recover device space on your iPhone, download the Combo Cleaner app. With the Internet Security feature, Combo Cleaner will protect your web browsing from scams, phishing, malicious downloads, and rogue websites. The password checker lets you see if your password is strong and not easily hackable. This feature will also check the online breaches database and advise if your password is safe. VPN is also included in the app, which encrypts traffic and hides your IP. Identity protection allows you to assess if your data has been exposed. You can check if your data was disclosed in a breach. SMS security filters SMS messages that contain malicious links, which can compromise your data. Photo Cleaner can help you quickly identify and remove similar photos and the ones with quality issues. The Secure Calendar feature scans links in calendar events and notifies you of the rogue ones, protecting your data from theft. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.